Hey folks, this is Gary, High Tech Redneck, and I wanted to make a video and show you my latest project. I got a Cessna. This is my second freebie that's been sent to me. It's a ARF, almost ready to fly plane kit that was sent to me by CMP Corporation, which stands for China Model Products. Unbelievably, as far as quality goes, this is the best put together, thought out kit that I've ever seen. It's actually made out of fiberglass, and the inside is kind of like a layer of wood, like that they put together to make plywood out of. It's a very thin but very sturdy wood. It has some balsa in it also. But it'll weigh about 8 pounds. It's like a 50 size model. It's got a 61 inch wingspan. Or maybe it's actually more. Anyway, I don't remember. But today I'm finishing the, I should have it all finished today. Right now what I'm doing is I've got all the electronics and servos inside, and they're adjusted. The elevator, the throttle, the steerable nose wheel, together with the rudder, and I get motors mounted on there, and it was quite a challenge to route all of the servo rods. Some of those, being an electrician, kind of comes in handy, because some of those I had to bend offsets in, and they had to be right on the money to and exactly where they were in the rod, you know. Especially the one for the throttle, I had to bend a 3-inch, which is quite large. I had to bend a 3-inch offset in it, and it had to be the offset had to be in just one portion of the airframe to miss the fuel tank. And there were various other issues that had to be overcome, because this model is actually designed to be flown with a huge electric motor or a large 4-stroke motor. And I'm flying it with a 46 Evolution 2-stroke. And but I wanted to, basically I'm making this video because I wanted to show it to you in case the maiden voyage ends up in a destruction. Hope it doesn't, but I kind of wanted to show it off a little bit because I think it's kind of a cool model, and it's really, I think it's very sharp. So check it out, and I'll be making another video when I fly it. Here's the airframe power plant without the cowl on it. Now let me take you around. I've got this 3-blade prop on it that should kind of be like a real super high torque. It shouldn't be fast, but it should be real powerful, kind of like an air tractor almost. You can see my linkage there for the steerable nose wheel, and you can see my linkage under here for my throttle, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, you should be able to. It's let's see, it's right down here. Yeah, there's the linkage for the throttle. Anyway, the offset that I was talking about is, let me show you the inside. Another thing, well, I'll describe it here in a minute. Let me see if I can show you the offset for the one cable that I had to make. Now I want you to check this offset out in here on this wire, so I missed the doggone, well, it doesn't look like I'm going to focus up to be able to, there it is. See that offset in that rod right there? That big offset that goes through? That's for the throttle. That had to be right inside of there in order to miss where the gas tank goes. It goes in that large U section right there. Anyway, one other thing that I wanted to show you was the elevator. Most model planes, the elevator is, you know, it's one piece going across the back, and it just has one surface where a control horn goes, and it actuates the whole piece, you know, going across the back. This one has two, it's split. This is split. So imagine what a hassle it is to try to get the two in sync with each other, adjusted properly, and then both of them moving at the same time. I'll show you how I did that. Here's the, there's the two control clevises for the elevator here. Okay, and you can see how they go on either side. Anyway, and the way that I did that was I took a carbon fiber rod, a hollow rod, and I secured both metal rods to it, and I'm actuating. You can see down there, there's two carbon fiber rods, and they have metal rods going into them, which I can adjust. Anyway, I don't know if you can see the doggone, no, I don't think I can I don't know if I can. Yeah, you can see the Y split back there where I've got the two metal rods going into the carbon fiber. That goes out for the elevator to control both halves of the elevator. Anyway, and there's the Evo 46. Anyway, I thought that I really think this plane's cool. It's got an extreme amount of control surfaces to it. It's got flaps. They're just going to be a two position. They're going to be a full flap and then an off, no flap, and then all the other control surfaces. Usually with tricycle landing gear planes, usually that steerable front wheel is kind of a pain in the ass on most of them. Like with my T-28 Trojan, what I did was I epoxied the nose wheel just to be straight and did away with the control of it. However, on this one, I've got it dialed in with the rudder. It works quite well. And if it causes me any trouble or I can't get the hang of steering it, you know, then I'll lock this one straight also and do away with the nose wheel steering configuration. But that's my Cessna 182 Skylane that I'll be making a maiden flight video probably today or tomorrow. But I kind of wanted to show it to you. And I didn't show you the wings. I'll make another quick video before you know, once I get the wings dialed in. Right now I'm doing the servos and stuff, so I'll chat with you a bit later. You guys take care. And Dan, man, it was really nice talking to you yesterday. And you know, I talked mostly about myself. I didn't talk or give you a chance much to talk about what's going on with you besides your golf. And anyway, I hope things really well. I'm sorry I took up your time by just talking about me, but I'll speak with you later, and you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, here's a wing off the Skylane that I'm working on the servos. It takes some modification of the, see how originally where the linkage hooks up, it's just got a little hole where you can tighten and loosen the lock on the servo for the control rod. Well, that doesn't really work too well. The spacing for the set screw hits the doggone plastic, so you got to take a Dremel tool and cut that sucker out like that right there, so that you're clear for the entire length of travel. Anyway, here's a wing with the flap and a aileron, and be getting those done today. I had enough room, so I stick it on this into this video. So catch you later. There's a wing, and we'll be putting them all together here after a bit, making a trial flight.